Hi, this is Tip from Total Parts Pro. Today with a 2018 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6600. It's ran from the 2015 to the current shape. Has a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,